The WHO offers two simple formulations for making your own hand sanitizing liquids in resource-limited or remote areas where workers don't have access to sinks or other hand cleaning facilities. One of these formulations uses 80% ethanol and the other, 75% isopropyl alcohol, otherwise known as rubbing alcohol. Both recipes contain a small amount of hydrogen peroxide to prevent microbes from growing in the sanitizer and a bit of glycerol to help moisturize skin and prevent dermatitis. Other moisturizing compounds you might find in liquid hand sanitizers include poly, ethylene glycol, and propylene glycol. When an alcohol-based hand sanitizer is rubbed into the skin, its ethanol evaporates, leaving behind these soothing compounds. In clinics, runny, liquid hand sanitizers like those you can make from the WHO recipes are easily transferred to the hands of patients, doctors, and visitors from wall-mounted dispensers. For consumers, hand sanitizer gels are a lot easier to carry and dispense on the go because it's easier to squeeze a gel from the bottle without spilling it everywhere. Gels also slow the evaporation of alcohol, ensuring it has time to cover your hands and work against the microbes that might be present. Related, how we know disinfectants should kill the COVID-19 coronavirus. People who have tried to make their own gel-based hand sanitizers can tell you that classic gelling agents like gelatin or agar won't behave when mixed with the high concentrations of alcohol that you need to kill viruses and bacteria. These agents won't form a gel that's stable because polar alcohol groups interrupt the intermolecular bonds. Manufacturers get around this obstacle by using high molecular weight cross-linked polymers of acrylic acid. The covalent cross-links help make a viscous gel that's resistant to alcohol's disruption. While most hand sanitizers contain either ethyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, alcohol-free hand sanitizers are also for sale. These